Yo, what up? Jeff Samuda here, and I'm just gonna do a quick update on building my kids a PC so they can join the PC Master Race. So far, what I've collected is this motherboard, CPU, and RAM combo I got for freaking $20 at our local computer store. It was marked at $100, so I don't know, it's an old motherboard. It's a MSI MS7597. The CPU in here is only a AMD Athlon 2, so it's pretty old, from like 2009. I took the power supply out of my PC, plugged it in, it all works, the RAM works, everything's good. So what I did is I ordered SSD for $17, and then I ordered a power supply for 32 bucks. That'll be here on Thursday, so my PC should be put together then. And I found this freaking Yeti Snowball for $5 at Goodwill today. I was stoked. They had two RAM sticks there, but they're the same exact ones I already had, so I left them. I didn't buy those. I found other power supplies here in PA, but our freaking used PC parts around here suck, dude. Everything's in Seattle or across the water in Victoria, so it sucks finding used parts here in PA. I'll update you guys on Thursday to show you how the PC build goes. Oh yeah, another thing I forgot to say, it came with an IO shield too. That's pretty crazy. An old freaking motherboard like this that has an IO shield with it, that's freaking rare. Yeah, we'll get back to you on Thursday. Peace. And I got this GTX 1650 from my old build because I upgraded with the 1660. So the 1650 is gonna go into my kids' PC build too. So they're gonna be able to game pretty good, I hope. I don't know how good this GPU, or I don't know how good that CPU is gonna do, but I'm hoping it'll at least work a little bit for them to play their games. They don't play too many demanding games, so yep, the 1650 is going in there. The okay, they got 1650. They got the Athlon 2. They got SSD, and there's only 8 gigabytes of RAM in that motherboard. That kind of sucks. So I think next month I'm gonna try to get 16 gigabytes of DDR3. If anyone has any of that, let me know. I have one 8 gig stick of DDR4, but that's not gonna work. So far, their PC is coming together pretty good. I'm not even gonna run it in the case for now. I'm gonna mount it on something. It's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah, I can't wait to build this PC. They're gonna be hyped. I'm gonna be hyped. If it doesn't run games that good, what I'm gonna do is just use it as an ass, and I'll start buying more hard drives. So, yep. I'll put some links in the description below with my affiliate links on what hard drive I'm using and what power supply I'm using, and the 1650. So yeah, put it in the comments below if you ever built a PC, or if you are building a PC. If you are, put a comment down below on what parts you're using. Yeah, peace out.